Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. Ciao a tutti. My name is Samuele Nocentini. We are back on Vancouver Island and we have another beautiful review. We have a 1970 Corvette Stingray. These cars are beautiful. If you didn't notice, I'm wearing my beautiful flamenco shirt. I love flamencos. I hope you do as well. But yeah, we have a beautiful Corvette. I was with a group of Corvettes actually a couple years back at the event Glass on the Grass that they have, the Victoria Corvette Association. I'll put the links up in the corner there. But yeah, what a beautiful car. It's just stunning. I love these old school muscle cars. We have a 350 cubic inch under the hood, 300 horsepower for this car, and everything is stock and original. We have the color for the 1 year 1970 bronze, which is absolutely outstanding and in beautiful condition for how many years this car has. Original engine, original transmission, 3-speed automatic transmission. We have all original interior except the seats were redone. New tires, new brakes, new suspension, but everything else is stock, and it's quite the rarity. So we are going to take this for a spin and give it our review and see how she drives. So join us. We are back with Joel here in the house.
Thank you for having me back.
Always a pleasure. But yeah, we had Joel in the Mercedes 600.
Yeah, the SL, yeah.
Beautiful car, very, very cool. Nice hard top and soft top. That's interesting. But we are back with a nice Corvette today.
A 1970.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to driving this. It looks so good. It's like a Batmobile in the front.
I know the lines.
Oh, it's beautiful. I'll put a shot of the front as well later. But I was reading here, very interesting, is we have the specs of the car. So 300 horsepower, 380 foot-pounds of torque, 350 cubic inches, and the compression ratio is 10.25 to 1.
Yeah.
It's so cool. You have it right there.
It's stamped on there, right?
Yeah.
Can't forget it.
Yeah, nice metal plaque. Very, very cool. You said you've got some locks here on the doors?
Yeah, the locks are down below. A nice display across the front. I mean, you'll get a couple shots of that.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yes,
but such a nice car.
It is.
Man.
Yeah.
60s, 70s. Definitely.
My favorite Corvettes.
Oh, nicest, but American muscle, the nicest cars. Yeah.
This got its partial restoration out at Jetstream Auto.
Yeah.
And they didn't do a full restoration on it, as they said, or as you said. It still has the original paint and everything, but the client just wanted it to be prepped for suspension, brakes, and everything, just so he can use it almost as a daily or whatever he wants to use it for, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, they just finished doing that, and now we're just putting some miles on it to make sure it's top notch. So 54,718, yeah.
Beautiful. Definitely the thing I like the most of this car is the paint.
Yeah.
That bronze just pops.
Yeah.
And it's always nice to have a convertible in British Columbia.
Yeah,
That never gets old.
Yeah, so it does have a hard top too for it, but on a day like today, you can't really leave the hard top on, can you?
Yeah, I know. Okay, let's hear this baby.
Sounds good, eh? Sounds good.
I love it. The V8, man.
I know.
Beautiful. I love when they idle. That's my favorite.
Oh, I know.
V8s when they're idling, that
Yeah.
deep sound. Oh,
Yeah.
big thanks to Rudy, who's allowing me to review these cars. It's just very grateful for it. You know, all these drives are once in a lifetime opportunities, and like I'm very happy I can do this. And also give it to you guys, check them out and share these experiences. That's the whole point. Yeah, this is such a freaking cool car, man. It's like, oh, when you gun it, it just flies, man.
Yeah.
Like, give it some juice. Sure sounds good, man. Cool, you got all your gauges, oil pressure, battery, water temperature, fuel. Got the clock there. Turn off the seatbelt sign if you want. Turbulence coming up.
Yeah.
Put your seatbelts on. But yeah, it actually drives really nice.
Yeah, that's the difference with the suspension that they put in, right?
Yeah. You can feel it's a heavy car. I mean, 1970, so with the cornering, it's not going to be a track car, of course, but still, like, engineering here is pretty advanced for the time. All fiberglass, I mean, they're pretty cool stuff. Yeah. Corvette came out with some very cool, like, new ideas for the time.
Yeah, especially the body styles they came out with the Stingrays. I mean,
I remember, I think the first time I saw this car was in the movie Apollo 13. And oh man, it just looked like a space shuttle, you know?
Yeah. Well, that's like you were saying, when you're driving it, you get some cool shots of that, but
yeah,
you feel like you're driving a spaceship.
Beautiful. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap up the video here, guys. So as always, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a lot. And yeah, leave me a comment what you think about this car. Like, what is it that you like the most of it? I think it's the Batmobile look is definitely the eye-catching thing.